Hi friends, now in this video let us quickly learn about website builder tool and using the website builder tool how we can update our banner images, product images and the images plus contents which are available in your different pages and how to update content in about us page and how to update your contact us how to update your contact informations in your contact us page and etc things like that. Okay, so to do that from your Outdo Cart dashboard, all that you have to do is like you have to come to website and in website you have to select website builder. And yes, so if you see this is the website builder. Okay, so the right hand side what you see is your website template. Okay, so this cool is your website template. You can make use of all these sections in order to portray your business requirements and contents like that. Okay, so now what shall we do? Okay, so here you'll see all the different pages like about us page, contact us page, categories page, subcategories page, like that, like all the pages you will be able to see on this left hand side. Okay, let's say like let's start from the home page now. So as you see, like you will be able to edit and update all the sections like in this page. Actually, like if you want to edit any particular section or like if you want to hide it, if you want to update any sections, like you'll be able to do that and you can push it live in real time as per your requirement. Actually, like that is something which is really amazing. Actually, like let's say if you want to edit this section like what you see here in the top header, right? Like let's say you want to edit this section, it is as simple as that. Once you click on this, right, you'll see a website builder on the left hand side which is opening up with the content what you have selected. Okay, so let's say you want to change or update any of this information. Let's say like you want to delete this and say use coupon code demo at 123. Demo at 123 is your coupon code. See here, that information is getting added up in real time, and once you hit on save and publish, it will go live. And also let's say like if you want to add an hyperlink for this content, so that like if someone clicking on this, like if you want to redirect them anywhere, you'll be able to do those changes. Actually, like let's say like if you want to change the banner images, so these images, so all that you have to do is like you have to click on this section, and left hand side as you see like the website builder opens this banner section. Actually, like so if you want to see the current banners which are already added, like you can click on edit and you will be able to see the what is the banner image which is added for the desktop view and what is the banner image which is added for the mobile view. And if you want to add any specific URL for this images, so that like when your end user clicking on this particular banner images, if you want them to get redirected to a specific product page or like the category page anywhere, you can do that. Actually, like okay, and if you want to understand what is the size of this images needed for this banner, right, you can right click on this particular website builder image and you can save this image. Okay, once your image is saved, right, you can open that image and check your property details. You can check your product property details and see here comes like your image dimension informations. Okay, so like this, like you can download and using the image resolution whatever required for the website, you can design the same images with that required resolution and you can update the same here. Actually, like okay, so after this, let's say okay, let's say you want, let's go for the other section. Okay, so here what you see, like you see one section here, like here whatever you want to display as an information, you can display that here. Actually, like let's say like these are custom cards, so similarly like you want to create some custom cards here and you want to add those cards. Actually, like you will be able to do that. Or like if you want to edit this information exclusively tradition craft, if you click on this section, you'll see the website builder which is like opening up on the left hand side. And if you want to add any content, you can still do that up to, let's say like up to 50% off. Okay, so that if you see in real time, these changes are getting updated in your website builder. And also if you want to edit this section, you can do that. Let's say like you want to change this card information, once you click on this section, right, you'll see all the added cards here. If you click on edit, right, you'll be able to see the card image which is added here. And if you want to give any name or like price information, let's say like you want to say like 999 only starts at 999 only, like that's here, like that content will visible here. Offer valid for only today, like that, like you will be able to add your own content like this under this custom cards, and you can even add your URL. Okay, let's say for example I'm going to go to my product and I'm going to select this product and I'm going to copy this URL and I'm going to paste that URL, so that like when someone clicking on this particular section, right, this image or this place, so they will basically get redirected here. Okay, so once after making all these changes, just hit on save and publish. Now let's check once in your front end website. Okay, see here, we are here. Once we click here, it is redirecting to the product page. Okay, so similarly you will be able to take decision based on your requirement, whatever the kind of like images or the content you want to show in the section, you can do that. Or like let's say like you don't want to show any custom card here, instead like you want to show some categories, or like you want to show some product images here, even that also possible, you can do that too. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here. Okay, here if you see, like we have a drop down menu to select. Okay, I'm going to select categories here. So, and under that I am getting one more drop down menu. It is asking for choose category. Here I can select which are the categories I want to show here. Let's say like I have added 3 categories here. Okay, I'm going to hit on save and publish. Okay, and go to my front end website. The moment I scroll down, I see all my categories added here or showing here. Okay, so like this you will be able to add categories, or like let's say like you want to add some products here. Okay, so let's say I want to add some products and picked, and I have added only 2 products. I'm going to select both the product here. Okay, and I decide whether I want to show the product name here, low pricing, means sorry, price tags and discount tags, and add to cart button. Okay, so with that changes I can hit on save and publish. So what happens now, let's go to front end and understand whether these informations are changed, got updated or what. Okay, see here I can see my product information, I can see my discount available, product name and everything. Add to cart button. By clicking here I can even directly come to this product page also. So similarly you can design this section, means this entire website based on your requirement actually. And yes, okay, so similarly like you have one section here where like just under one click you can decide what image to put here and showcase. And also let's say like you want to put it on a slider, this one you can still put it. You can even decide whether you want to show how many columns, like under 2 columns, 3 column or 4 columns, you can even do that. And if you are choosing grid, right, it will show like this, like one below the other one. So similarly you will be able to use this section like based on your requirement. Let's say like this section, again I'm going to click and update, and if I uncheck this auto slider option, right, this images will not automatically get sliding. So once it is checked in, it will automatically start sliding. So based on your requirement also you can even decide that. And also let's say like even this section you want to update anything else more actually. Let's say like you want to make it grids here, this how like it will look like grid, and when you're making slider, like it will slide like this. Okay, so like this based on your requirement you will be able to set up the section. And here you have one section to add your videos. Let's say like you have some videos which is posted on YouTube and you want to add that, like it is as simple as that. You can come here and paste that video URL here, and you can even give a unique thumbnail image what you want to show here. And eventually if you want to add a play button, this icon of your own choice, you can even still do that. And even you can even decide like whether you want to show it in full container or like off container, like this here it changes like that. You can decide those calls. And finally with all these changes you can even change this, change and update this images. You can even change this image and the content. And if you want to update this button, once you click here, right, like you can even add your own content what you want to show inside this button, and add a specific URL on a click, like where you want them to get redirected. And like you have, so this is a place like where you, if you want to add any testimonials, like just click here, click on the edit button, and you can add your own profile images there. Like you can give a heading here, and what kind of testimonials like your customers have given, you can even add that here. And after making those changes, just hit on save and publish. That's it. So you have one more section to add your banner images here, and here comes like your subscribers. Okay, so subscribing section, like if you want to update this section also, right, you will be able to change that. Okay, if you want to add any content of your own choice, like you will be able to update them accordingly. So this way in your home page, like whatever the section you want to update, you can update that as means at a very simpler level actually. Like let's say now I want to update my about us page. Like once I click on my about us page, like see here, this how cool is your about us page. You have so many sections. You have sections to add images, content, image come content with different positioning, and you get like see here, you have these many sections. You can even add your team members photographs, and have some contents like what you want to specifically talk about your team or like anything. You can even add your own images and convert this section like as per your business needs actually. Like it is not really mandated that like you have to give your team members images here actually. Like that, like you will be able to choose that under a click. Just click here, just update the content, just hit on save and publish. That's it, your website is completely live actually. Like, and also like say like you want to change this contact us page, like you want to change this section, you can just under a click you can even update. You can update this contact title also. And if you want to update this image, just simple as that, like just click on this image, save this image, try to understand what is the image size, design an image, and just come here and add that image actually, like which will get updated here. Okay, and if you want to add this phone numbers, right, you can even come here, just click here and update your number. And let's say you want to add email here, you can do that. Okay, and if you want to add another email or like contact number in the section, anything, you can just do that. Just type and that's it. If you want to add this as emails, anything you wanted, like any sections, anything you wanted to change, like you will be able to update those sections like this. So similarly what you can do, like you can, once you make those changes, just hit on save and publish, and that's it. See here, if you come to about us page, see here, and once you come to contact us page, we have added a mobile number. See here, we have added a mobile number, we have added our email ID, all those are live. Like just like that, under just 2 minutes you are able to set up the complete website as per your requirement. So this way you can use your website builder tool to change or update your website the way you want it, and the way you want it to design it, you can do it actually. So I hope like this website builder tool section helped you a lot in understanding every sections, how you can use them actually, like and use all the sections, and so that like you can beautifully convey means but decorate and place all your products, so that like your customers will never miss any of the offers or like the kind of products you are having actually. Like so with this I hope like you guys would have had a fair idea how to use this website builder tool, and you can update your front end website as per your requirement. Okay, and if you guys still have any doubts or any query, please feel free to reach out to support@outdocart.com email id, and we are always here and happy to help you out at any time with any kind of queries you are having with. Okay, thank you so much and have a nice day.